recording.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Toni Lamond. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Toni Lamond.
Yep.
Yes.
Do the number straight through. And rolling.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Miss Toni Lamond.
All I ask of this life is to touch the world around me, to be filled with delight of the moment love has found me, and to reach enough height that I can take whatever's downed me. And so far, it's wonderful, this life. Oh, there's much that I lack. Oh, there's much that I lack. I've had many lonely lunches. I've been ready to crack. Gone bananas by the bunches. I'm not on my back, I'm still rolling with the punches. And so far, it's wonderful, this life. Oh, I'll confess that I've looked in the mirror and wished Lana Turner, Liz Taylor I'd see. But then I couldn't think what I'd give up that I've got. So I figured I'd be glad with whatever I had and just be. Just try to be me. When I was 13, I thought I'd be as old as the hills at 33. I'm glad I'm not young anymore. When I was a girl of 21, I thought all my worthwhile days were done. I'm glad that I'm not young anymore. I'm of an age now, I could be lying in bed, but I'm on stage now, and I'm still planning ahead. I wouldn't be dead. How lovely it is to be up here, convinced that I'll still be here next year. All thoughts of checking out are out the door. Oh, I'm so glad that I'm not young anymore. See, if I was still a kid, I couldn't tell you all this wise stuff. The time when your future seemed so clear, the years when a year seemed like a year. I'm glad I'm not young anymore. Times when you couldn't live your dream, what's that on the floor? Your self-esteem. I'm glad that I'm not young anymore. It's quite a mystery how I've survived all these years. No one in history has conquered all their fears, cried all their tears. The young people cry, oh, the going's tough. The old people sigh, enough's enough. I guess it's up to me to mind the store. Oh, I'm so glad that I'm not young anymore. 'Cause I've been dull as egg nose, I'm leaving. I don't want any tears, no, I don't want any grieving. 'Cause I'll give a big cheer where St. Peter is receiving. I'll say, so far it's wonderful, so very wonderful, this life, yes, this life. Do as I please. When I lock up my apartment, let's do that again. A ticket gal. I'm as free as the breeze. I go where I want to and do as I please. When I lock up my apartment, I've got all the keys. I'm living alone and I like it. If I want to play gin, I go out and play gin. Come home when I want to, and when I walk in, there's no bum yelling, where the hell have you been? I'm living alone, and I like it, because I'm a single bed... Oh, shit. Now with simple things like television. At my place, I cast the main vote. There's no Mr. Know-All wanting to watch football. At my place, it's me that controls the remote. No man buys me my dresses, no man pays for my minks. And if I want a new hat trimmed with posies and pinks, there's no husband yelling, take it off, it stinks. I buy it, I wear it, I like it. Now if I want to travel, get away for a while, like fly over, I'm a single bed, one pillow mama. And there's no papa sober or stewed. Come home and wake me, shake me and make me, get up and make whoopee when I'm not in the mood. But when I'm feeling sexy, when I'm feeling hot, I call up some young, dark and handsome I've got. So it cost me a 50. Or 100. So what? I'm living alone. Put down that remote. I'm living alone. Not now, I'm too tired. Living alone. And I like it. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you gotta do is call, and I'll be there, yes I will. You've got a friend, you've got a friend, you've got to fly now. And high now, and high, high, high. I am, 'cause I've heard it all before, and I've been down there on the floor, and no one's ever who wrote this?
I have no idea.
Yeah, who wrote this?
Yeah.
Who? Oh, okay. And I've been down there on the floor, and no one's ever gonna keep me down again. I am strong, I am invincible.
We've gone past it.
Oh.
I'm woman to ignore.
'Cause I've heard it all before, and I've been down there on the floor, and no, who wrote this?
I have no idea.
I am strong, I am invincible, I am woman.
Singular sensation, every little step she takes.
I am woman.
Thrilling combination, every move that she makes.
I am woman.
One smile and suddenly nobody else will do.
You know you'll never be lonely with you. No. Satin on my shoulders and a smile on my lips. How lucky can you get? Money in my pocket, right at my fingertips. How lucky can you get? Every night a party where the fun never ends. You can circle the globe with my... Keep shining, keep smiling, knowing you can always count on me. Sure, that's what friends are for. For good times, for bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Sing, sing a song. Sing out loud. Sing out strong. Sing of good things, not bad. Sing of happy, not sad. Sing a song. Make it simple to last your whole life long. Don't worry if it's not good enough.
enough for anyone else to hear. You just sing, you just sing.